Now, we don't blame our screw-ups on Luna, okay? She didn't do anything wrong.
Oh my god, it's a fucking possum!
Just saying. The front door would have gotten you here fine.
Shut up, dear furry! This is the man I'm gonna need you to kill!
Nearly. These artists put their heart and soul into their work. I can't just give it back like it's worthless.
This is your final boarding call. All aboard.
What the was that, Moxie?
I'm sorry. They just seem so wholesome and happy. I panicked.
Want to fuck this one too?
No, of course not.
You get a tweet now.
Ew, stop.
Oh.
You're so gross!
Don't worry, little one.
It smells like they went this way.
Okay, new plan. Looney can help lure the humans to us, and we'll take care of the rest.
And it gets lonely here.
Stolas, sir!
I'm fine.
We got this nasty imp trying to
If you were to end your life, you'd be missing all of this.
You gonna buy that load of shit from a baby and the sheep it fucks?
That is so inappropriate! Oh, kiss our ass, prude!
Anyway, take it from me, a fellow genius.
The target, see? It didn't go down. So yeah, no go, bro. I'm talking to the lady.
You know, you boys should enter the paying games.
I heard games. What games? I'm in.
A human called me a possum. I am not a possum.
Hey, dipshit! Wanna see whose lap you're sitting on? Woo! That was a fuck ton of lumberjacks.
I'm still so jazzed up!
What do you want me to do to you?
Oh my.
Was that the bite of 87?
Why would she do this? How are we supposed to find her? Where would she go?
Well, it reeks of urine and desperation, so... Ugh. L.A.
Maybe you could adopt this one here. Quite a strong lad. He'll be perfect for what...
Do not talk to my receptionist that way. She's sensitive.
Yes, I am!
All right, Luna, let's make this quick. In and out before anyone notices us here.
Let's just go home and clean his blood off. You gotta let me have the puppy. You just gotta.
Don't you touch her, you...
And you!
What? What about me?
Nothing. I don't talk to dogs. I'm a cat person.
Wow.